Hello guys! Well, these days here in Puerto have been like rainy all the week, but today the sun is here, so let's go to the beach. Welcome to this new vlog. Love you. Okay, this part is always like a theme for me, so right now I just like this will be a surprise for everyone. Okay, crochet it is. I love this one, by the way. Oh, great. Okay, this is how looks the bikini. This one is so cute. Made by a girl here in Costa Rica that I really love. So, yes, it is this one. Woo. Okay, the weather right now is a little bit tricky. I don't know if it's like gonna rain or not. Let me show you here. Looks like blue, but like behind the mountain looks a little bit gray. I don't know if you see it, but over there is a little bit gray. Look. But I don't care. I just want a little bit of sea and sand. So here we go. And from this point, I say goodbye to my sandals and barefoot mode on. Okay, as I told you guys, these days have been like super rainy. So this is how it looks, the entrance of the beach right now. But this is my vibe. I love so much this thing. You know, when you are barefoot, you connect with the earth and you feel and you absorb all the energy. So it's necessary, you know. And this is part of the adventure. This is my path because this is my favorite beach here. So I cross this part all the time. And yeah, it's so funny. I love my secret beach. For me, this is like a magical path. Just look how beautiful is this place. The importance of the trees and to be aware of them. And over there is the beach. Welcome to Centro America. Este es mi paraíso. This is my paradise, guys, and I love this spot. Right now it's a little bit wavy because, as already tell you, it's a rainy season, so could be like dangerous. But just look the view of the jungle. A lot of monkeys here, and this place is so relaxed. I love it. This is my favorite spot in all Puerto Viejo. And this is my home. So I'm so happy to have you here with me. And let's enjoy this beach. Something that I really love about this beach is that have like secret spots. This is like a path to connect to the main street. And here another one to connect to another beach. So you can decide if you want to walk like at the seaside. Oh my god! That is because I am barefoot. Things that I really love about this place is that you have options. If you want to walk by the sea or into the jungles. So depends of you. I love both of them. And this is really a deep jungle, you know, big trees, a lot of this kind of plantitas and stuff. So this is a paradise, that's the truth. Okay, now I will show you my bikini. It's time to show you my bikini, and I'm wearing like this cover because it's a little bit cold. Okay, it's not cold, it's just like, you know, I'm a tropical girl, so for me this is cold. And This is my bikini for today. Do you like it? Yay! I love crochet, so I hope that you love it too. Yay! My fruit dealer give me this granada. Tell me if you know what is this. It's usually sweet, so let's open it. It's like an egg, you know? Just crack it. And inside, look. Do you see it? Ooh. So so sweet. Guys, thank you for watching. I love you so much. And this was my spot, my secret spot. So I hope that you love it. I love you so much. And remember, if you feel lonely, I can fix that. Mwah. See you in the next one.